Hello everyone, this is our Holi DIY kit. In this Holi DIY kit, there are various activities like tie and dye activity on t-shirt, coloring of MDF rang Barrse cutout with sketch pens. There are many. In this video, we will be learning tie and dye activity, how to do it. First, we take squeezy bottle and fill it with warm water. I wanted a little lighter shade, thus I have filled the water full. But if you want darker shade, you can fill it only 1/4. Shake the bottle very nicely. Lay a plastic sheet on your working area and then put your t-shirt like shown in the video. And we are ready set to go to start our tie and dye. Here we are doing swirling pattern. So see how I am twisting the t-shirt in the swirl pattern and then tying it tightly with the rubber band. The more tighter is the swirl and tying your rubber band, the more crisp image you will get. So hold it nicely and tie it very tightly. And the fun part begins. Now we start pouring paints. Make sure you divide your t-shirt in 6 equal parts, and on the opposite part you put the paints like I have done in the video. After doing on the one side, flip the t-shirt and do the same thing on the opposite side. Ta-da! We are almost done. Now put your t-shirt inside the bag and let it set for 7 to 8 hours. It's better if you keep it under the sun and let the dye set. It's time to take your rubber bands out after 7 to 8 hours and see how beautiful the pattern has come. Now let your t-shirt air dry. Hang it in a hanger and wait for some more time. Then you can wash it in a salt water and then just play this and enjoy. Happy Holi!